Hello, everybody, this is Emma, and I'm here to say I'm going to be trying not to say aw today while watching cute animal videos. What is that? That's not a quail. Quail eggs are smaller. It's a baby puppy. The dog was getting scolded by the chicken. I didn't say it. I didn't say it. My mouth was closed. I didn't say it. What the flip? That was gross! I'll party with you. Leaving the babies to go last. Oh, no, I didn't. I was trying really hard. That monkey was begging to go up. Oh my god. Yo. No, this is my time.
Hi, Rio.
Huh?
Good morning.
Huh?
Hi, baby.
Huh?
How are you?
Huh?
Oh, I saw this one like a dozen times. It's so cute because look at the artist's face. The artist is totally fine with it. It's so cute. And they're not even showing the artist's face. Like, literally. Inappropriate. Inappropriate.
Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy.
That's all I'm gonna watch today. It's a short one. Um, I just needed a little refresher, refresh my fine palate with something cute and all worthy, and then I can go on and watch the rest of the garbage I see on TikTok. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Minimum Mo signing off. Bye. Have a great day.